I'm moving out.
Missing someone.
I know that people have been starting to watch my room tour from Vlogmas because, you know, it's that time of the year. People are getting to know where they're going to university. I am gonna pack up my room entirely and you guys are coming with me. I don't really have a plan, but hopefully it makes sense. The way I've sorted out my packing is I have my big suitcase, my small suitcase, my backpack, carrier bags, the IKEA bag and newspaper. Okay, so I don't really know where to start. I'm just trying to think, what do I need and what don't I need? So I'm thinking bedding, towels, dirty washing. I'm gonna put on some music and yeah, I'm probably gonna start off with my smaller suitcase. If you guys wanna know where these are from, they're Cowpack. They're the Tustin. They're really cute. They're in dove grey. TK Maxx, or if you're American, TJ Maxx or Marshalls, check them out. They usually have like at least a good £100 or dollars off. Metal straw, saving the environment. Don't kill the turtles. I mean, I'm here for like, what, 3 more days. There really isn't a point in me doing washing now if I'm gonna be home on Saturday and I can just throw everything. The washing machines are awful. I think most universities have circuit laundry and it scams you out of your money. Like, you don't even get, like, your stuff doesn't get washed properly and then you dry it and it comes out warm and damp and then you have to do it all over again. And I think last time I did washing, I think I spent about a good £20. So I'm not gonna get conned again 3 days before I'm going home. So I'm gonna pack up my dirty washing in my little suitcase and then we can kind of go from there. Okay, so I think you guys saw these when I did my little Christmas Vlogmas room tour thing. They're my little laundry bags, which split up to dark and light, because towels and stuff I'm gonna pack in the IKEA bag, the really big blue IKEA bag. I recommend this for first years, or any years really. It kind of just makes it easier for washing. Yeah, I just don't like making my whites grey. Just get all kind of like my dirty washing together, start to pack them in here. I think it just depends on space, because I want all of my clothes to go in the bigger ones and then shoes and coats are going into individual duffel bag, not duffel bags, bin bags, like big grey bin bags. I can't really avoid it any longer and I'm gonna have to start. So I need to stop with the... I'm gonna put on, if you guys know Brand New, good. If you don't, listen to them. They're pretty good. I really like them. They're like one of my favourite bands. So I'm gonna put, well, because I have all their albums, I'm just gonna put their songs on shuffle on Spotify. Leximaydennis, if you want to follow me on Spotify. But yeah, I'm just gonna shuffle that and I will probably check in like 20 minutes. Underwear and dirty washing is all in this now. IKEA bag, courtesy of my flatmate Rachel, I think. I think I'll put, I mean, I don't know if you can see at the top of the wardrobe, there is where all like my bedding and towels are kept. So I'm gonna take those down, pop them in the IKEA bag. Yeah, I think I'm just kind of figuring it out as it goes. I've kind of folded the sheets and the pillow and the pillowcases to kind of form the shape of like a pillow, so it should be easier to get more into the IKEA bag. But by the looks of it, I think I might need to refold more, refold them again. I think that's kind of like the best way I can start. So hey, I'm back again. No. It is Thursday, and I drastically underestimated my packing because I realised my dad getting here tomorrow means I'm not going to have the day to pack. So realistically I have to spend all of today completely packing this room up, which I don't think will take too long, and it shouldn't be too bad. It's probably only going to take like 4 hours, because it is literally just clothes and my shelves at this point. So I'm probably going to do big bits first, clothing that I know I'm definitely not going to wear, so I can sort out what I'm wearing today, tomorrow and Saturday, and then shelving and pinboard. But yeah, that's pretty much the plan, but I will be able to show you a little bit more what I did yesterday, only because I'm just having breakfast. I've pretty much just woken up, it's like 10 o'clock. So I need to sort all of that out, properly wake up so that I'm in like the right frame of mind, and then I will check in with you guys and we can go from there. Right, so the best way to start is strip my shelves and my pinboard, then do coats and shoes, and then do clothing. That is gonna probably not take long. It is just really books, folders, photos, all those types of things to put away. Yeah, I kind of just want it out of the way at this point. Okay, coats are securely in the bag. That is all done. Okay, yeah, no, I can't do my shoes because I thought I had a spare bag. They're all over there, all nice and happy. I'll probably just do my shelves then, just get it out of the way. It's now 4:30, so I've been at this for about 6 hours. I think I'm gonna finish up for the day, just kind of end it here, only because I really don't have much left to do. When my dad gets here tomorrow, I will pack up the spare stuff in the IKEA bag that he brings down, and then I'm gone on Saturday morning. So yes, that is pretty much what my day has been. But yeah, I just thought I will quickly show you guys what my room looks like, and then I'm gonna sign off for the day. Right, so over here I've got my main suitcase, which has all my clothes in, my small one with all my washing and bits. The same stuff from yesterday, towels and bedding and stuff, but it has my yoga mat and yoga blocks. The little gremlin bag with Gizmo has a lot of like cosmetics and stuff, so like my makeup palettes, my eyeshadow palettes, those types of things. And then of course you've seen the bin bag, which has all my coats and all that jazz. And then I've got bags with just folders and books in them. Then you can see I've like wrapped up my bowls and plates and whatnot. The stuff on the side is just the clothes that I have for tomorrow and Saturday, for like travelling home. So I've got my glasses all packed up. Yes, I have gin on the side, just like whoop. But yeah, my glasses are all wrapped up, and then on my shelf I just have the bits that I'm going to be using over the next few days, so that they're just available. I don't have to be digging around for them. Yeah, so hopefully you guys have enjoyed what I've done so far. It is quite mundane, it's a very monotonous task, it's very long-winded, it has to be done at the end of the day, but hopefully everything comes out nicely and you guys enjoy it. I'm just going to sign out. I think I'm going to meet some more friends just to kind of say goodbye, and then I'm probably going to go over and see Cam tonight as well, because he's not moving out for a while yet, so it'll be my last night with my boyfriend. But yes, I will touch in with you guys hopefully tomorrow when I'm finishing everything up and my dad is here. So see you guys later. Right, okay. So it is Saturday morning. I'm just waiting for my dad to get here. It's just gone 9:20. I'm moving out. I'm moving out today. Yeah, that's pretty much all I need to say, because in about half an hour my room's gonna be completely empty. Like, my bedding is still on there because it's just gonna be folded. Same with bits over there. But yes, that is pretty much it. I have to film on my phone because my Canon won't turn on. I don't know why. So if the quality has changed, I'm sorry, and if I have flipped, I'm sorry. But yeah, I'm pretty much just waiting for a message from my dad, just saying that he's outside so I can start bringing stuff down. Hopefully everything fits in the car. I'm praying everything fits in the car. I haven't really acquired anything since coming to uni, or at least if I have, it hasn't been that much. So hopefully everything is okay. I will check in with you guys when we're actually packing the car. Missing someone with all your missing someone with So I didn't get to properly check in yesterday because I was just so tired that got home, dumped everything in my room, and pretty much just had dinner and passed out. So I didn't properly get to sign out. So I'm going to, I've said so like 5 times now. But yeah, I just wanted to sign this off. I have a few more videos coming probably around August, September time. I'm going to France, so that'll be a really nice one to vlog. And yeah, but yeah, I just wanted to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this whole experience of me attempting to pack up my room. It was somewhat successful. We couldn't really get everything in the car. It took a while, but it eventually fit. We got home safely, so that's a plus side. If you're coming to Exeter's Penryn campus or starting at Falmouth University, I hope this kind of gave you an insight into what the like regular Glasney village bedrooms look like. I didn't get to film the sidings to show you that, or the twin, like the sharing rooms, but most people will have the double rooms. But yeah, I just thought you guys would enjoy that, and if you did, that was great. And just, yeah, like and subscribe, even though it's so cheesy. But yeah, I will touch in with you guys probably in like a month or so. I'm not gonna lie about it, but yeah, I will speak to you guys soon enough.